Hi, and welcome back. I am Lina, and this is part 2 of our Glow from Within series, where we're inviting a radiant energy to our skin and our body and our face. So we're going to get started by taking 3 nice deep breaths. So you want to close your eyes and join me here. Take a nice inhale. And exhale deeply. We're going to do this 2 more times. Nice inhale. And relax and release. Nice inhale again. And exhale, releasing any tension. Beautiful. So we're going to start by applying a little bit of face oil. Apply your favorite face oil if you haven't already. We're going to apply focusing mostly on our forehead area here. So this is going to help with the slip when we're doing these facial and forehead massages here. Wonderful. So we're going to start by gently tapping on our forehead area. So this is a wonderful technique to sort of wake up the skin here and kind of releasing any tension here in the muscle, in the forehead muscle as well. Take a nice deep breath. Wonderful. So we're going to start with using our fingers here, index fingers, and we're going to start gently moving all the way up from the bridge of our nose here, all the way up. And this is going to start smoothing out our 11 lines here. Really relaxing this whole muscle. And as we're doing this movement, I want you to sort of just really think about any kind of tension that you hold here and what is causing the tension here. You know, sometimes we think a lot about things and we start really getting into our mind a lot, and we can unintentionally start crinkling our nose here. And this is what creates these lines and wrinkles here. So as we're smoothing out the lines, we're also smoothing out and releasing any of that tension that we hold. And take a nice deep breath here as well. Wonderful. Next, we are going to take our fingers again and you're going to slide them horizontally, almost like you're zigzagging here on our forehead. Taking a nice deep breath. And again, if there are any emotions that come up as you're smoothing out this area, what is that worry? Usually it's worry or kind of overthinking that happens. And this is what creates the tension in our forehead. So it really is amazing how connected everything is. So once we start understanding that sometimes it's our emotions that are actually causing the tension, and it's the tension that is causing these lines and wrinkles. So it's so much more than surface. It's also what's really happening on the inside. Take a nice deep breath here again. Wonderful. So what we're doing is really just smoothing out and releasing any tension in this area here. So take your fingers here, gently move them all the way from the center of the forehead all the way out to the temples. Taking a couple moments here and just focusing on releasing any tension in this area. Beautiful. We're going to end this ritual today with placing our index finger right here. So this is an acupressure point, and by stimulating this area, we're going to release any tension and reduce tension here. So we can hold here, and then we're going to gently move in one direction. Helps to open up our third eye as well. Wonderful. We're going to go in the other direction now. Close your eyes if you want and take a nice deep breath. Wonderful. I certainly feel like my whole forehead area is feeling a lot more relaxed, and I see like a nice healthy kind of glow to my forehead now. So what we're going to do now by just ending this routine is rubbing our palms together, taking a couple seconds here, and just place our hands over our upper face here. Sealing in that calm into our face, our calm and relaxation. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. So next we are going to be working on our eye area. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next one.